Arrive in style with this Ford 2014 Super Duty F-350 SRW Lariat. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include navigation system with HD, Lariat Ultimate Package, tough bed spray and bedliner, chrome package, power moonroof, FX4 off-road package, engine, 6.7L 4-valve power-stroke diesel V8, B20, tuxedo black metallic and black premium leather seating surfaces 40/console/40. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.